guys, Kirsten here at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. Behind me there's a Chevy 2500 High Country, so let's take a peek. In front of this truck you do have the color match bumper with your built-in park sensors. You do have the chrome grille, and then under the hood of this truck is the 6.6 liter Duramax engine. Side, you will notice that this truck has a 6.5-inch BDS lift. It does have 37-inch tires on a 20-inch fuel rims. You do have paint to match fender flares on this one. Coming along the side, you do have the chrome accents in the door handle as well as the trim. It does have cab length running boards, and we'll check out the back. At the back, you do have your color match bumper with your built-in park sensors as well as your side step to get into the box. You do have your hitch receiver as well as the adapter for the hitch receiver, the 4 and 7 pin wiring, a built-in backup camera, the locking tailgate, and we'll check out the inside. On the inside of this truck, you will notice that it does have the really nice brown interior. It does have the full leather heated and cooled front seats as well as a heated steering wheel. You do have lots of room in your center console here. It does have removable cup holders, so you can pop these out and put them wherever you want in your center console area. It does have 2 glove boxes. This one does have a sunroof as well as navigation. It also has a ton of auxiliary switches, so you can move your pedals forward or back. Your traction control, your box light, as well as your park sensors, your lane control, and your exhaust brake. You do have a nice big plug-in here, as well as 3 USBs, as well as your 2 12-volt plugs. This one does have power folding mirrors, and your built-in trailer brake controller is just on the left here. The truck is a crew cab, so you have tons of space back here. You do have a couple cup holders in your built-in armrest. You can flip the seat up for even more space underneath. This truck has gone through a full AMVIC inspection by our journeyman technicians. For 30+ pictures and pricing, click the link below. Or if you're interested in any other vehicle on the lot, give us a call, 780-942-3629.